Welcome to Guided Meditations with Christy. Today we're going to be working on taking care of ourselves. This is something we need to be mindful of, our self-care practices, and trying to fit it into our day. So when you are ready, go ahead and get into a comfortable space and gently close your eyes. And we're going to start with a few relaxing breaths in and out of our body. And as we start breathing and releasing the tension from our day, make sure your spine is straight, your shoulders relaxed, arms comfortable. And if you would like a pillow for support or a blanket, you are welcome to do that. We're going to start to unwind from our day, releasing tension, releasing any worries, any frustration. We're letting all of this go. So as you take a deep breath in, I want you to follow it through your body, down through your chest and into your belly, feeling your belly expand. And when you feel you have a nice deep breath, you are going to effortlessly breathe out through your mouth. You're not forcing, you are just releasing. You're going to follow my voice. You're going to follow your breath. You're going to feel the breath come through your body. You can feel the warmth and the sensation as it comes through your nose, and how it feels coming into your chest, welcoming it into your abdomen, and how lovely it feels when you breathe out. You can feel your body beginning to shift. You will follow the cycle of your breaths in and out as one continuous surge of breath. So when you exhale, you will go right back into breathing in, and this will be continuous. And however this looks for you, you are doing perfect. Because this is not a space for judging, and this is not a space for worrying. Because wherever you are meant to be there. And we are going to imagine a soft and warm fog coming down over our head and enveloping our body. And we're going to welcome this. And we're going to become more and more relaxed as this fog comes down over our head, around our jaw, releasing our jaw. You feel it surrounding your neck and relaxing all of those neck muscles that have been so tight. And when the fog comes down and rests on your shoulders, you feel your shoulders relax. You feel them drop away from your ears. And each time you take a breath in and out, you are becoming more grounded. You can feel yourself becoming more relaxed. And there are no worries for where you started today. You could have come from the worst possible stressful day, but this is now. And for the moment, for the next 30 minutes, you're going to leave that behind you. Allow the fog to travel down your body, down your arms, relaxing your forearms and your fingers. You feel it further relaxing your chest and your torso. You even feel it working down your back, down your spine, and releasing your hips. Feel free to adjust your body for comfort as we go throughout this meditation. You now feel the fog traveling down your legs, your feet, and your toes. You are becoming more and more peaceful in your physical body as well as your emotional body. And you are welcoming harmony and contentment and peace. I want you to allow the fog to now penetrate through your body and going inside to your organs, your blood, your cells. And I want you to allow this energy to relax any part of you that has carried stress or tension or any pain today. You can just allow your awareness to follow, and you will notice and maybe be surprised where the tension is being released from. Continue following your breath in and out of your body, further relaxing your muscles, your emotions, your mind. And we are welcoming this experience in this moment. The fog is traveling to all parts of your body, relaxing you deeper and deeper. And the outside world is fading into the background as you begin your inner journey to your own inner world, and we're just going to let everything go. Every breath you take is another step towards relaxation. Every step you take is a step towards shift and change. And if your mind begins to wander, it doesn't matter where you drift or where you go, because you're going to follow my voice and you're going to follow your breath. So now that you are completely relaxed and calm and peaceful, we're going to listen to that still small voice within on how to take better care of ourselves. What change would you like to make? What peace would you like to welcome into your life? Is there something that is consuming your thoughts, causing you frustration or anxiety? Just allow yourself to meet this experience with forgiveness and grace. This is not a time for judgment of how we are or where we are at this moment. This is a moment to welcome change. And as these thoughts arise, you may even receive guidance about a change that you know you have needed to make for some time. But maybe you just haven't taken that step yet. But in this moment now, you recognize that this is your time to take better care of yourself, to heal, to grow, and to restore yourself. You're still following your breath in and out, not forcing, not changing. You are just allowing this experience to move you. I would like you to welcome any clarity that you have about what is best for you in this moment. Because right now you are perfect in every way. You have the power to make whatever changes that you desire. And everything that you have inside you will help you. Your tenacity, your strength, and your will. You may notice that you've had a deep awareness about changes that you've needed to make in your life for some time now. I want you to ask yourself if you have met this with a sense of curiosity and wonder, or if you've quickly hit with resistance and shut it down. I want you to focus on the vision of having made these changes already. Fast forward 30 days, 60 days, or a year. I want you to connect to what this feels like already having this. Not having to worry about this anymore. I want you to see how much happier that you already are. This could be distancing yourself from a situation or a habit or even a negative thought pattern. I want you to connect with what it is that you are desiring to change and to see it unfolding right now before your eyes. See yourself living this better life now with already having made this energetic shift in your perspective. Know that you have already met this challenge and you have everything within you to complete this challenge. Right now, know that you already have the strength, the power to make any positive changes, no matter how far you may feel from this reality, because if you see it in your mind, it is within your reality. like you to see yourself taking that first step. We're going to create a shift in our consciousness today. And you're going to know what it is that you have chosen to accomplish. The situation you wish to see, to hear, touch, and feel with all of your senses. Your heart is already connected to this outcome. In this moment, you are already drawing all these good things to yourself, and everything is unfolding in perfect time. You have chosen to take the first step to trust your intuition and allow it to guide you to be exactly where you need to be. Your path is now illuminated for you. And any obstacles you actually choose to see as challenges that you can meet. And they're opportunities to grow and to heal. You enjoy a greater and greater understanding of what your mind and your body need in order to heal. This is your time for transformation. You are emotionally ready to take better care of yourself and to heal and to grow, to restore your body, your mind, your spirit, your wellness, and your happiness are available to you. See yourself in the future, making these changes each and every day. See yourself in 30 days. See yourself in 60 days. See yourself in 6 months, or even a year. You look happy and healthy, and you have a sense of renewal. You're showing up for yourself today, and you've made a decision to show up for yourself each and every day. You are feeling connected to this outcome with your emotions and your heart, and you are magnetizing this outcome with your emotions and your heart. You can feel it, you can sense it, you can see it. You're still following your breath, and each time you breathe in new experiences. Breathe in peace and tranquility as you move forward. Welcome this transition in your life. If the desire is there, it is there for a reason, because you have the power in you to do this. You're feeling connected to your body. You're feeling connected to your emotions, your mind, and you are feeling supported. Your body is showing you right now that you can do this. If you can envision what changes that you would like to make in your life that has better self-care for you, not always putting other people first. You can't draw from an empty cup. So it's time to put yourself on your to-do list, finding 5 minutes a day to ground, to connect to you. So even if your steps are small, there's still progress. See yourself having the outcome that you desire. How will you move into the future? Does that look like happiness? Does it look like you are carefree? What do you see for yourself moving forward? When you lay down the worries, when you lay down whatever this is you are choosing to change, it could be a habit, it could be a situation, it could be distancing from a person. Whatever this looks like for you, fast forward. Feel your strength rise up within you and envision the outcome. I want you to connect to that outcome. I want you to feel it in your heart. I want you to see it in your mind. You can even imagine sitting in a movie theater and the curtains parting and you're watching your life. Make your story the best that it can be. You have the strength and you have the power. It is just a shift in your awareness. You have everything within you that you need to achieve whatever it is. It's one step. It's one small step today. Another small step tomorrow. And know that just you showing up for you is all that you need. Life is a wonderful journey. And I want you to welcome each day with eagerness and joy, a sense of renewal, a sense of purpose. And a desire to take care of yourself, whatever that looks like for you. I want you to follow my voice for the following statements, and I want you to recognize and notice if something resonates with you, it is meant for you. I want you to take this into your heart and breathe it into your body. Let it fill every cell of your body. And that is what creates an energetic shift. I take joy in every positive step I take. Every day I am constantly evolving. Small progress is still progress. I am worthy of a calm, peaceful life. I am more than my anxiety and fears. Every day I am becoming the best version of myself. My present circumstances do not define me. They only determine my starting point. Take these in, breathe them in through your body. And as we breathe in this new revived energy, we are also exhaling everything that we do not need. Any negative self-talk. We may not even realize every day the thoughts that ruminate in our minds are reinforcing what we're telling that. We're going to choose today to not listen to any negative self-talk. Vow to yourself today, if you have a negative thought about yourself, I want you to stop, and you're going to assess what you told yourself. And I want you to delete it from your memory, from your body. And I want you to replace it with something that's more positive and something more befitting of where you're going. If something resonated with you today, use that. If you already have something that you feel deeply, use whatever you know is fitting where you're going. Something positive and supportive. Something that looks like you 30 days from now. It feels like you 60 days from now. It is you a year from now. That's what you're going to use for support with your mind, your body, your spirit. You are going to feed yourself, feed your soul, and feed your awareness with things that are befitting you. It's time. It's time today. And today is the perfect day for a new step in the right direction. So we are going to slowly start to come back to our room, the physical space where you are. And we are going to slowly allow that fog to lift. So starting at your toes, it's working back up your body. It's working up your legs. Slowly to your hips. back, your spine, the trunk of your body. It's working up your neck, your fingers, your arms. You can feel this energy that is leaving you. It's working up your face, your jaw, and the top of your head. As you become more aware of your surroundings, you can feel free to wiggle your toes. You're coming back to the room. We're going to start moving our body. You can wiggle your fingers. You can move your head back and forth. And as you gently open your eyes, you are feeling relaxed. You have a renewed sense of purpose, and you feel empowered to make the changes that you want to make. Each and every day, you are going to be feeding yourself supportive, positive statements. You're going to connect with them with your heart. You're going to envision them in your mind. And each time you do that, you are helping your body to rewire those neural pathways that created your today, but you're going to make your new tomorrow. We're going to do 3 final breaths in and out. Each one slowly coming back to the room. We're feeling refreshed. We are feeling light. And we are feeling powerful. Thank you for joining me today. It's been an honor. And everyone be blessed.